Looking for backwater valve maintenance, service, and repair in St Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how crucial it is to protect your home from costly sewer backups. Backwater valves are essential in keeping your property safe by preventing flooding and drainage issues. Our certified technicians specialize in inspecting, maintaining, and repairing backwater valves, ensuring your system runs efficiently year-round. In St Albert, we know unpredictable weather and aging infrastructure can lead to plumbing challenges. That's why we offer tailored solutions to keep your home protected, no matter the conditions. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get expert service, 24/7 availability, and transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Don't wait for an emergency. Schedule your backwater valve service today and experience the peace of mind you deserve. Call Kingstree Plumbing now to protect your home with trusted backwater valve maintenance, service and repair in St Albert.